Good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am explaining the important expected questions of the Java language for the Telangana University degree BSc students. Okay. So from the first unit, explain briefly about the OOPS concepts. Next question, history of Java. Third question, features of Java. Fourth question, explain about different operations available in Java. Explain tokens and data types. So tokens are nothing but keywords, variables, identifiers, literals, operators, all are comes under your tokens topic. So out of these mostly important questions are explain about briefly OOPS concepts and features of Java. Explain about different operators and tokens. So these four questions are very much more important from the first unit. Next, from second unit, explain briefly about different types of loops. You have for loop, while loop, do while loop. So how you write these loops concepts in Java, syntaxes with one program example. Next question is explain about different decision makings in Java. So decision makings are nothing but if, nested if else, switch case, if else ladder, all under comes under the decision making concept. Next, and the third one is write difference between while loop and do while loop. So similar to C language, we have while loop and do while loop in Java also, but you have to write the syntax according to the Java and with one example and explain that example also, so that you will get the full marks. Next, from third unit, first question, explain briefly about classes and objects. So what is class, what is object, how you are defining the class, that means syntax of the class, syntax of creating of object, and with one simple example. Now the second question is explain briefly about methods and method overloading. So what is mean by method overloading? So how many types of method overloadings are there? You have to explain and with one simple example. Next, the third question is explain briefly about constructors and constructors overloading. So constructor is very simple, so this is a very most important answer, and second one is also most important and simple answers also. So constructor overloading also you have to write. Next, explain about access specifiers. We have public, private, protected. So you have to explain what is public, what is protected, what is private, and what is friend class. Everything you have to explain. And the next question is explain about static and abstract keywords. So what is static keyword, how you define that, where will you implement static, that means in which kind of programs, and similarly abstract also you have to explain. Next, unit 4. So what is inheritance and types of inheritance? It is also most expected questions and very simple question. Explain briefly about applets and types of applets. So applets also very important answer. Explain briefly about call by value and call by reference. So what is mean by call by value, what is mean by call by reference? You have to explain this answer compulsory with a program only. Next, explain about overriding methods. So what is mean by overriding, how you achieve this concept in the Java, you have to explain with a program. Explain about superclass in Java. So super, you have to explain superclass. And the last unit is unit number 5. Explain briefly about packages and types of packages. User defined packages are there, some predefined packages are there. How user defined package can be created and can be imported into a program, and how predefined packages are imported into a program, we have to specify. Explain briefly about interfaces with an example. So how to create an interface, how to implement it. So what is mean by interface, how to inherit the interface to our class. So everything you have to explain with the syntaxes and with a simple program explanation. And the last question is explain about handling. So exception handling, what is mean by exception, what is mean by try, catch, how you can achieve this try and catch methods in Java. So this is about your Java imported questions.